Alright guys, today I'm just going to be doing an overview of the truck and a little in-depth on my cold air intake that I made. So it's a 2015 Nissan Frontier SV two-wheel drive. Pretty much stock for now. So right now, stock, they make about 260 horsepower and 280 pounds of torque. My goal is 325 horsepower to the wheels and 340 pounds of torque. So with the intake here, I made it myself. This pipe, this hose, and the filter I got on Amazon for 50 bucks. It was just a little universal one. And I didn't realize that it didn't come with the spot for the math sensor. So what I done is I cut this section here off of the factory intake, so I could have this here to plug my math sensor in. Then these two parts here I got at AutoZone just to kind of splice everything together, and it works very well. I don't know how well it works compared to, you know, some name brand intakes, but it works pretty good for me. And I'll give you some sound clips of it right now. If I can get this camera set up. As you can hear, it works very well. A lot of air going in there. So I hope you guys will stick around for more to come. Hopefully I'll have some, the next thing I'm doing is new brake pads and rotors, so I'll film that. And then after that I'll be doing some more performance upgrades. So just stick around and bear with me for a little bit as I get going. And thank you.